cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome for those of you that are new here. My name is Ashley. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I love all things cleaning and homemaking. So if you need some motivation or a friend, I think you'd really like sticking around on my channel. I also just want to be so clear with you guys that I do not have it together at all, especially this holiday season. I think I like to think I have things together, but I just don't sometimes. So I'm gonna take you along with me. We're gonna tidy up the house today because I did gingerbread making with my daughter at her preschool. Me and my husband went. It was so much fun. And my daughter is with my mother-in-law for a little bit, which is really nice. So I'm going to be able to tackle some things going on in the house. I did want to share with you guys really quickly, the one area that I do feel that I am a little bit put together in right now is Christmas shopping and wrapping, solely because it is all done. I was supposed to have surgery on December 9th, which was this Tuesday. And you guys have been following along. We have to postpone that. I just need some additional testing. I need to speak to some other doctors and specialists. So we are currently on hold with that. But I did do all of my Christmas wrapping and holiday everything. So that's probably the only thing I feel put together with right now. But speaking of like Christmas time, if you guys haven't done so already, I did want to share with you, I had a brand reach out to me, Ana Luisa, and if you've been following along, you guys know that I struggle. I've always struggled, especially like in my 20s and now 30s, with earrings for my sensitive ears. So I just want to show you guys how cute this earring is. I'm not even kidding you guys. It's 12 o'clock right now. What time is it? 12:15. I put these in around 9 o'clock because I've been wearing them for a couple hours. I can tell immediately. If you watch my last video, I purchased some earrings from Marshall's, and while they're so beautiful, I just knew that they're gonna irritate my ears. So these are 14 karat gold. These are the Tracy earring. I am really excited. I wore them today for gingerbread making. I thought the bows were so cute with my daughter. I'm going to wear them this holiday season for for Christmas Eve. My friend Amanda here on YouTube, Amanda Arujo. Amanda, I'm probably saying that so incorrectly if you're watching this. She posted this cute skirt that I've had my eye on Amazon. So I'm gonna order that with a turtleneck, some tights, maybe cute booties. Probably might just use my Doc Martens because I have them. And these earrings, I'm obsessed. So Ana Luisa is currently running, Can I Talk Today, a sale. They are doing 30% off site-wide. So if you still need to get a gift for your mom, your sister, your mother-in-law, I would highly recommend this company. They have a 2-year warranty. The packaging and shipping was just so cute and fun to open. Comes in this adorable little box. And I don't know, it just made me so happy to open. I got this pair, and then I also got this pair here below. Make sure I'm sharing it correctly, and I'll share links for you guys. But how cute. I also debated wearing these to my daughter's preschool. I thought with like this sweater, I was wearing a yellow sweater earlier, but I just wanted to change for cleaning. They're so adorable. You can stack them too, which is really nice. Let me put these on right now and just like stack them with the bows. They have a lot of great options on their website. Not only earrings, they have like a plethora of earring options, but necklaces as well. So it's the perfect gift for somebody in your life. Oh, not me trying to put a hole in my second ear to stack these cuties. So, and they also have ones that like you can kind of clip together or pair together to see how they, how you would like them to look with the necklaces. I don't know that I would necessarily wear both of these together just because I feel like they're both, or actually, wait a minute, no. That's actually adorable. Maybe I would. Oh, maybe I should have done this. I don't know. I feel like it just elevates your outfit as well, which is kind of nice for somebody like me that just likes basic stuff. I'm actually pretty obsessed. So I will link for you guys down below and show you just kind of like a close-up of what both these earrings look like and their names as well. And without further ado, that's enough chatting. But I'm gonna make a latte and get started. I have to show you guys the house is a disaster, so you're not alone if your house is also a mess. But yeah, I'm really excited about these earrings. Sorry to go back to that. You guys know me, I'm all over the place. But I just love to have like a good quality staple or two, and the fact that these don't irritate my ears is literally, I am just so happy. I feel like I've seen brands that advertise that, and I just feel so excited that I can be a girly that can wear cute like gold stackable jewelry and not have it irritate my ears to the point that I'm like, okay, I can't wear them tomorrow or the next day. So it's latte time, and I feel cute. Like, we can run some errands now. We have our little like statement jewelry pieces. So definitely, if you're looking for something to gift somebody or even yourself, because guys, as moms, we need to treat ourselves. If you've been in the market for some jewelry, I would recommend. I will link all of the information down below for you guys. And yeah, I really like this company. I'm so glad that they reached out, because I would literally recommend this to my sister, my best friend, and my mom. So if you guys have any questions, let me know, but let's get into the cleaning portion of today's video.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm taking you along with me as we kind of just tidy up and reset the entire home. My mother-in-law had my daughter for a couple hours, and I told myself I wasn't going to do anything too crazy in the sense of like washing, mopping the floors or doing the bathrooms, because I feel like our house just needed an overall reset and just like tidy, as you guys are going to see. But of course, in Ashley fashion, I was like, let me just strip off these couch covers and throw them in the wash really quick. And of course, I wanted to show a little piece of chocolate goldfish and part of a hot glue, not like the hot glue gun, but the actual glue that you put in the hot glue gun. Yeah, so that's actually not that bad, because I feel like I've been pretty on top of the couch like every week and a half to 2 weeks. I just always get surprised with whatever I'm going to find under there. Sorry, you never know. But if you guys have been following along, you know that our Dyson vacuum just kind of broke on us. We had it for about 5.5 years. We got it as a wedding gift. It was originally $800, which is crazy and insane, but I purchased a vacuum through Walmart. It came in. I literally thought it was like a kid's vacuum. It was a joke. I was like, what is happening? We returned it, and I ended up picking up this Shark vacuum. It's like the Shark Pro stick vacuum, something for animals. It's good. It was not, in my opinion, cheap. It was still $200, which I feel like is a lot for a vacuum. You can get like a refurbished Dyson I saw online for maybe like 280, I think. So just something to think about. But we've just had so many issues with our Dyson that it just didn't make sense to buy another Dyson for us right now. But in terms of like comparison of like how well it cleans, I just didn't take the time to do enough research. I just kind of wanted a vacuum that we could just start using because we needed one down here. So, kind of a long vacuum spiel, but so far so good. I do like it. It comes with one attachment, like that skinny little attachment, whereas our Dyson had that like mini vacuum attachment that I used to love using on our couch, like on the side of the couch and the back of the couch, the actual covers. But I just used the vacuum to suck up all the crumbs and do the best that I could. But yeah, moving along, I got this ottoman. Actually, my sister got it from Ashley Home Store Furniture, and then she didn't end up liking it in her space, so my mom took it, and then I took it from my mom. So I like it. It's great. I really like having an ottoman here. It feels a lot more cozy. I do feel that the black part that you guys can see, the tray part when you flip it, it's just kind of like cheap. And I know that this ottoman was not cheap um on their website, like what my sister paid for it. So I don't know. I've just been kind of doing research because I really want to get a new kitchen dining table. So the prices are just absurd. And I don't know. I was listening to the radio today and, just in our local area, just talking about ways to like, the radio host was talking about ways to like help other families. And just it's insanity to me how much like furniture costs, and I feel like the quality is so poor and yet the price tag is so high. So I mentioned this a little bit in my last video, but comment down below if you guys have also found that as well. I don't mean to knock any stores, but I just feel like Wayfair like doesn't have good quality items from my experience. And maybe there are some good things on there, but a lot of my experience has just been like really cheap, poor quality. I mean, even our couch from Raymore and Flanagan, like if you see what's inside the cushions, you're just kind of like, oh my gosh, like it's just crazy like what people charge versus like the quality that's put into these items. So sorry, that was a very long spiel, but if you have any recommendations for like furniture companies or anything that you could recommend, please leave a comment down below. I would love to hear more about it. I just feel like being a one income family, if we are going to make a decision to buy a new piece of furniture, whatever that may be, I want it to be something that's going to last. But I feel like I need to either like go to the thrift store or Facebook Marketplace to find really good old quality items that are just going to last.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a
I just wanted to let you know that if you are also a mom and you feel like there's just kind of a lot going on in your life in the day to day, week to week, whatever that may be, whether it is just the holiday season, sickness, family, health, there's so much going on sometimes. I just want you to know that you're not alone. You are never alone. We are all going through something. And when you come to my channel, I just want this to be a place that we can kind of spend time together. Whether or not you're doing things and cleaning with me, it doesn't matter. It's just a place for us on the internet to get together as moms and just support one another. So definitely leave a comment down below. Let me know just how you're doing. How are things going overall? Like I said, there's always something going on in somebody else's life. And I think it's always just like a good reminder for us to be kind when and where we can, because we don't always know what somebody else is going through, especially like when we see things on social media and the internet. I just feel like that's not a proper representation of what someone's going through. So just your little reminder this holiday season to continue to be kind, spread kindness, like any capacity that you can, because you never know how impactful that could be for somebody, because there may be people that aren't sharing everything that they're going through, or maybe you think that you know what's going on and you don't know what's going on. So just a little reminder to let you know that you're always welcome here in the comments to chat with me. Let me know if there's anything that I could pray for you about down in the comments. We can do that together. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. So we recently just cat sat for our neighbor, and she was so sweet and kind enough to get me a gift card to Marshall's. And I didn't feel that we really like needed anything, but something that has been on the back of my mind has been updating our bedding. And I did see this comforter that I fell in love with. It is so cute. Green is my favorite. I know it's green on green in here, but I just love it. I'm so into if I am going to buy something, I just want it to bring joy and make me feel happy. And I just want to find like what my vibe and aesthetic is. And this comforter, this green comforter, does just that. I also picked up some flannel sheets for our bed as well because we did not have a pair and it has been freezing here in New England. So I'm really happy with these purchases. If you guys have been following along, you know that eventually we do want to get a king bed in here, but I think it doesn't hurt to have extra bedding, and it's kind of hard to have nice things with a toddler, but this is dark green. So if anyone gets sick on this, I mean, we didn't, totally break the bank. And I just like having extra blankets and bedding around in the house anyway, just in case if somebody does get sick, we can swap things out. And I could always put this in our guest room as well if we ever intend to get our king bed sooner rather than later. So just wanted to share that. But guys, I love it. It makes me so happy. And my husband's going to be off this upcoming week. So we are going to paint these patches and do a bunch of home stuff that we've been meaning to get done while he's on vacation. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you made it to this point, I hope that you hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business.